So over here, you can see that I am in the Fairlight page, and if I were to go around over here and then press the play button, then this is what you would hear. This is a test recording audio for Davinci Resolve tutorial series. So there is no effects applied over here, so this is just a plain audio. So what you can do over here is you can apply different effects as per how you like. And to do that, you can go around over here on the top where it says effects. So if you were to go around and click right here, then there are various effects as you can see just like this. So if I were to go around over here and apply, let's say, an echo effect right here, I can just click and drag it out right here on the audio as you can see right here, then I get this echo effect. So I can just go around and press the play button to hear out how it sounds. This is a test recording audio. So that is what you have as you can hear out. So that is what you have. So there's the low cut, high cut and everything. You can work around with the left, right and right channel. So what you can do is on the fly, you can change around the settings as well. This is a test recording audio for Davinci Resolve tutorial series. So that is what you have as well as you can hear. So depending on like what you apply right here, then you can see that this is the echo that is being applied. So echo here has been applied right here, and let's say I want to add in something like a delay over here as well. So I can do that, and then if I were to press play, let me just go around onto the beginning. This is test recording audio for Davinci Resolve tutorial series. And that is what you have. As you can hear, you can really change around how it sounds. So you can add in flanger right here. You can work around with pitch as well. So let me just go around and close this and add in a pitch. So let's see how that works. So you can go around over here, and I'm going to go around play from the beginning. This is a test recording audio. And that is how it works as you can hear. So you can go around and apply multiple effects just by clicking and dragging as you can see right here. And to see what effects has been applied till now, you can go around on the inspector section right here. So once you go around under the effects section, you can see that echo has been applied, delay has been applied, and pitch has been applied. And you can also go around and change all of the settings from over here. So if I were to go around, press the play button. I can adjust it from over here as well. I can turn off each one of these effects right here. Let's say I'm going to turn off echo and only turn on pitch, then this is what I would hear.
This is a test recording audio for Davinci Resolve.
So that is what you have right here. If you want to delete out an effect entirely, just go around, click the dustbin icon, and the effect will be deleted altogether. And if you were to press the play button, this is a test recording audio. It is back to its original state where no effects was applied. And that is how you can work around with the Fairlight FX inside of the Fairlight page in Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.